This is Maginoni, and here's my unboxing of Loot Crate for June 2014. Now, Nerd Block was really awesome, so hopefully Loot Crate will also be just as good. Let's take a look. Oh, and already I can see some good stuff inside. Let's just get the t-shirt out of the way first. It's a Transformer. Transformer meets Back to the Future shirt. MLG wristband. Let's see. MLG card, stickers, Transformer stickers. As you can see, this is Transformer themed for the movie. Get a nice little book. And you know I'm saving the good for last here. Warheads. Transformer Hexbug. This is kind of cool. And Transformer box toy. Sweet, Optimus Prime. And you get a gun and battle axe. So overall, I mean, this is actually alright, let's be honest with you. These toys are pretty crap. But, that being said, at least it's Optimus Prime. So at least your crappy figure toy that may or may not be cool, at least it's Optimus. So that's always a plus. I mean, even though I dogged on it, Loot Crate actually this month was really good, especially compared to last month. So I guess they get spared one more month. Anyways, comments or questions, let me know. Rate the video, like, share. I'll have more unboxings and reviews and stuff later. So until next time.